What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So if you sign up on this particular platform I'm about to talk about, you get 10 USDT bonus on signing up. Okay, so this is the Zulti platform, and you get to make money for free on this platform by actually participating in raffle draws, accumulating gems, and also completing levels by accumulating XP right here. Okay, so in this video I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can basically get started with this, and actually how you can earn, and also the withdrawal process. Okay, so I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get full basic details on what I'm about to explain right now. But before we proceed, I would like you to note that this video is for educational purpose only, and your results or earnings on the Zulti app actually depends on how active you are. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the process right away. So to basically sign up or get started, I'll be dropping the link in the description section of this video or in the comment section down below. Okay, so once you click on the sign up link, it will take you directly to your sign up option, where you can sign up by putting in your email address right here. And once you click on this register button, verification code will be sent to that email address you provided here. And once you complete your sign up, you're given $10 bonus. Okay, so once you sign up, you have it right here in your account like this. Okay, so as you can see, I've been able to accumulate about 4.6 USDT extra. And how did I do this? Okay, that's what I'll be sharing right now. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you try to accumulate as much gems as you can. Okay, and one way of accumulating gems is by actually participating in this spin on a daily basis. So to spin, I'm just going to spin this, and we'll spin the wheel. Okay, so once you spin this wheel this way, you'll be given some gems, and it will appear right here. Now the next thing you're going to need to do is to use those gems you've accumulated to participate in the raffle draw right here. Okay, so over 30,000 people usually participate in this raffle draw, and the main reason why you need to participate in this is that it will actually help you accumulate XP. Okay, you can see this XP right here. By participating here, I was able to accumulate some of this, and once you're able to accumulate enough XP for that particular level, you will go to the next level, and every new levels come with new rewards. Okay, and that will actually help you accumulate more USD. So to participate in this, you can actually shovel automatically here, or you can just pick numbers yourself and submit a ticket like this. So once you do that, you'll be given 10 XP per 100 gems you spent on this. Okay, so I've already added this. I can actually pick more numbers since I have more gems right here, and I've earned another 10 XP. So once I'm able to accumulate for this level 96 XP, I'll be able to move to the next level, which comes with new rewards like USD and also gems as bonus for completing the previous level. Okay, now another way you can actually earn on the Zulti for free is by participating in the raffle draw. Like I mentioned earlier, the raffle draws always happen around 3:28 p.m. on a daily basis. Okay, so before this time right here, make sure you submit all your tickets before then, and once the result is out, you get to earn some USD and also more gems and more XPs. Okay, so everything actually goes hand in hand for you to be able to earn here. All right, now aside all that, another way you can actually accumulate more USD or earn here is by actually inviting your friends. Okay, so where you have refer to earn USD here, when you click on the refer button, it will take you in here to where you can find your referral and invite code, so you can actually share to your friends or people you feel might be interested in joining you on this platform. Okay, and you get to earn about $1 per confirmed referral and up to $7 per withdrawal. Okay, so for each new friends you invite here, you get $1, and you can earn maximum of $7 per withdrawal you make here. Okay, and also you get 10 XP per confirmed referral and also 250 gems per confirmed referral. So basically, for every new friend you invite, aside this first requirement here, you also get 250 gems for each new friends, and you also get to earn 20% of each referral's USD draw price credited to you. Okay, and aside all this, your referrals also get 30 XP and also 200 gems on signing up with your link. Okay, so everybody gets something whenever they sign up on Zulti. All right, so the previous raffle draw is over. Let's check if we're a winner. Okay, so let me check if I was a winner. So with 6 tickets, let's see what we get. All right, so we actually got something. Let's claim our winnings, and we open these. Okay, so this is what we got here. So we're just going to scratch this. All right, so we got 100 gems and about 5 XP. Okay, so that's it with the raffle draw. It's mostly unlikely for you to win something tangible in the raffle draw. Okay, so basically your main target in here is to accumulate as much XP as you can, and you can only do that by actually spending some gems in the raffle draw and also spinning right here to accumulate more gems, and also by inviting your friends. And probably if you actually get to win something tangible in the raffle draw, you also get more XPs and more USD by doing that. Okay, so coming back here, I've been able to complete the previous level. Okay, so into the new level, I'm just going to tap here and you can see we have one level reward available. Okay, so tapping on this, let's see what we get. So you just have to open this, and as you can see right here, we got about 0.12 USD, 207 gems, and 0.66x spin boost. Okay, so this will also help you in right here, and you can see by completing each level, I've been able to earn a total of 4.7 USD doing that. All right, so onto the new level. Here is the amount of XP I need to get to proceed. Okay, so those are the steps and procedure of how you can actually accumulate more USD on this particular update. Okay, now to withdraw, you click on it like this. Now you're going to need a minimum of 37 USD to be able to withdraw. All right, and you can get to accumulate 37 USD by actually participating in all the tasks right here from time to time. Okay, so it might actually take a while for you to be able to accumulate at least 37 USD, but whenever you do, I guess it will come in handy whenever you place your withdrawals. Okay, and once I'm able to accumulate the minimum threshold right here, which is 37 USD, I'll be making a live withdrawal by then. Okay, but if you feel it's something you like and you want to hop on, I'll be dropping the link in the comment section and in the description section of this video. Okay, click on it, sign up, and actually start accumulating your balance and start earning right here. Okay, so that'll be all for now. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to miss out on the withdrawal video whenever I make it, also on your notification bell, so that whenever I drop it, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, and if you want to get other updates on how I make money online, join my Telegram channel and also on your notification bell, so that whenever I drop an update, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.